back at it
Round
again
three. What is it?
with another vending machine.
This?
I think it's the white one. Just check it.
The one with
Check
the
it.
ice.
And,
Does anyone have 10 yen?
we're not sure, but we think this is the
Okay.
instant
Short.
freezing Coca-Cola, and this man is about to buy
Just
some.
10 yen.
Yeah, use it to translate on that thing.
It's the bronze thing.
Hold on,
I'm just gonna reach into my
we're
pocket.
Google translating.
I'm pretty sure that looks like that looks like the one.
Oh, Shaz, it says for him on
I have a
top.
watch. What's the bigger one? It's 100.
That's cool, right?
Shaz, it's not based on which one's the highest. It's based on if attack or defense are high.
Click, huh?
And if it says
Wait, hold on.
if
New
the same,
Coca appeared.
attacking defense,
Law.
nothing to do with health.
Reduced. Oh.
So I can't check.
Coca appeared. Restrained
But that
absorption.
doesn't happen in Pokemon Go,
The
but I
proper
assume it's
diet
the same.
staple
No?
is
I'm pretty sure it's
calm the brass appear. Completion plus of the
Wait, let Dan check first if it is the
intake
the
meal.
freezing Coke.
Blood neutral rise. Calm. Restrained absorption ingestion.
Shaz, I think it is him on top.
Oh, what does this say?
Probably, if it's health.
Oh, the throat of refresh.
I told you it's so.
No, that's good enough. That means it's
I
obviously
don't.
means
I honestly,
refreshes your-
I don't think that this is the one that
This is.
turns into
We don't
ice, but it's
think
up
this
to you.
isn't the one. We don't think this is the
What if
one.
I was wrong?
What does this red say?
Does the red say? Hold on.
As long as it
Probably
says
like 0
ice or something.
calories
What
or
does?
something.
Yeah, that's what I'm
it's-
thinking.
it's
I'm like,
zero.
I'm gonna have bad. Just it's 0 calorie.
Delicious.
Yeah, sure.
Calorie zero.
Alright.
That must be calories.
It's not the one.
Zero
Calories-
calorie.
Yeah, that's 0 calories.
Delicious 0 calories.
You sure that's even one like a thing they do is?
Oh damn! Hit him on top. Hit him on pop.
One pop up.
One punch.
Okay, let's go. Now you're
Small on the left, just it's a kettle.
It's a kettle. Oh, we're leaving. It's not the one. It's not the one.